So this is our old farmhouse where Sue and I got married, where we lived right a couple weeks before we got married and then moved in here right afterwards. This was Roland Tischendorf's mom's old place. He fixed it up and we lived in here. This garage wasn't here, so they must have added a garage over here. Then you got all the old farm buildings. We used to take Kelly back here for a walk and walk down this way and go for a walk down by the creek. All these barns were full of Roland Tischendorf's engines and steam engines and old tractors and everything else that he fixed up and built up. Over here you had the barn, and that was still active. For a while he had cows and chickens in there. Each morning the chickens, especially the roosters, would be crowing at 5 o'clock in the morning when we were trying to sleep. We had our parties out here in the front, in the yard, had people over. Well, it's a very fun, cool place to live for the first couple of years that we got married. It's really sad, but I can see that it won't be long before all of this gets torn down. It's really sad, but yeah, I wanted to come back here at least one more time before it's all bulldozed down and it's all gone.